Henry, a Carlisle company, is leading the industry with a complete systems approach to the building envelope, managing water, vapor, air, and energy from the foundation to the roof. Their lineup includes WRBs, flashing, sealants, spray foam, denim insulation, continuous insulation, roofing underlayments, and more. But what really sets them apart is how all these components are designed to work together. That means fewer compatibility issues, faster installs, and real labor savings. It also means a tighter, more energy efficient structure that performs as a complete system, not just a patchwork of parts. Everything is tested for real-world conditions and backed by warranties that matter. Use their WRB flashing and sealant system and you get the 15-year 123 system warranty. Add one of their insulation products like spray foam and that upgrades to a 30-year residential building envelope system warranty. That includes material, labor, and a one-time transfer. So when your buyers take the keys, they're getting more than a house, they're getting confidence. With Henry, you're not just meeting code, you're building smarter, more sustainable homes that last. All right, friends, I'm Matt Reisinger, and remember our motto in the Build Show, know better, build better.